Hello everyone. India, as we know, is a vast country. It is a land of diversity in all its manner, right from religion to the culture, the language, cuisines, clothing, and even the landscape of India has diverse elements all in one landmass, which means that India has practically all the physical features of the earth. That is, the mountains, the deserts, the plains, the plateaus, the islands, and the coastal regions. Let me ask you a question. In what kind of terrain do you live in? As for me, I live in a hilly region. Take a look at this picture. What do you see here? Have you ever been to these kind of places? Aren't they beautiful? So, these places that you see are all in the coastal plains, which is a part of the physical features of India that we will be learning in this chapter, and they are called as the coastal plains of India.
Why are they called coastal? They are called coastal because a part of the land adjoins the sea or it is near the sea. So, it is a stretch of land along a coast or seashore. It is an area where land meets the sea or ocean and forms a boundary between the land and the water bodies. So, students, now let us see the exact location of the coastal plains. Can you identify the states the pointer is showing? Yes, there are 9 coastal states. We have Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala in the western coast, and West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu in the eastern coast of India. India has a total length of 7,516.6 kilometers of coastline and 6,100 kilometers of mainland India, which extends from Kutch in Gujarat to Gangetic Delta in the east. The Peninsular Plateau is flanked by a stretch of narrow coastal strip running along the Arabian Sea in the west and the Bay of Bengal in the east. The coastal plains of India is divided accordingly. We have the western coastal plain and the eastern coastal plain. The western coast consists of 3 sections. They are the Konkan Plain, the Kannada Plain, and the Malabar Coast. The eastern coast consists of 2 sections, that is, the Northern Sarkars and the Coromandel Coast. Let us learn more on some of the features of the western plains of India. The western coastal plains is a narrow plain which gets broader towards the north and south. The Konkan coast, northern stretch, extends from Mumbai to Goa. The Kannada plain, central stretch, extends from Goa to Mangalore. The Malabar coast, southern stretch, is a region which runs from Goa to Kanyakumari in the south. Similarly, Let us also take a look at the eastern plains of India. The northern part of the coastal region is known as the NERIE-NCERT. It lies between the Mahanadi and the Krishna rivers in the east. The southern part of the coastal plain is referred to as the Coromandel Coast. The eastern coastal plain well developed and have large deltas such as Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri, which makes the soil very fertile and productive for agriculture. Now, students, can you identify this lake? In which state is this lake located? And what is the importance of this lake? The lake that you are seeing is the famous Chilika Lake. It is the largest saltwater lake which lies in the state of Orissa in the eastern coastal plain. Besides being the largest saltwater lake, it is also recognized as the most important wetlands in the world because it is a home to a phenomenal variety of birds and its rich fishery resources sustains the livelihood for many fishermen.
Can you list some of the major seaports in India? So, with this, we have completed and learned on one of the important physical features of India, which is the coastal plains.